Test tayo ng unit. So, dalawang unit, pagsabay na natin. Shoutout kay Sir Marco. EMG na John Wick 3 Island Barrel. So, with license markings. So, metal slide. And then metal din ng frame. So ayan guys, may island barrel siya. Naka fiber optic sights. And then may underrail na rin for attachment. Threaded yung OB. Naka-enlarged magazine release. May magwell with TTI markings. Base pad is TTI. Ayan, may markings din ng TTI. So sa kabilang side, meron siyang serial number. And then yan, Combat Master markings. Then ito naman yung John Wick 4 Pit Viper. So with license markings din. Then naka fiber optic sights. May compensator siya guys. And then may underrail na rin for attachment. So markings, ayan, Pit Viper markings. And then serial number. Sige, test natin. 329, 322. And di ko pala nabanggit, may kasama pala silang license card. So, test natin. Mas malakas siya, 370. So for more details, PM kayo sa page namin, Masabi Shop.